guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to this channel, hi, I'm Gorgeous Girl and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to start my rainbow series as I have mentioned in my Insta stories. I'm super excited about it, and from the intro you must have guessed the color. Yes, it is violet. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to start with prepping my skin with primer. You guys know that this is something I'm trying recently and I'm loving it. By the way guys, for all the products I have used in this video, please check my description box. Everything will be listed there. Applying some concealer, setting my face quickly with some setting powder. Used to play in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages and I've no more patience, so won't you please? Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. For this look, I want my eyebrows to be very bold and stark. This look is inspired by Editorial makeup. I feel Editorial makeup requires serious skill sets and I always wanted to make something in that tone. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I just wanted to try it. Now it's time to do the eyes. For today, I'm going to use liquid lipsticks for my eyeshadow. Yes, you heard it right, because I want a very abstract kind of feel and the creamy textures of those lipsticks perfect for that. I'm just blending the colors. I'm not making them smoothly blended, you know what I mean? I just want a messy look. For my inner corners, I'm using this eyeshadow stick which has a creamy texture and really easy to blend out. One thing I would like to mention, if you're going to use lipsticks as your eyeshadow, don't pick anything which is a super matte and quick drying formula. In that case, you won't get enough time to work with them. To be very honest guys, I really didn't plan this look. I'm just going with the flow and that's why I am not going to blabber anymore. Just watch the steps carefully and you will get it. Patience, so won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. Adding some golden glitter liner streaks. I am not blending them, just creating deliberate strokes. Standing on rainbows, playing it cool. Adding some thick black lines on my lower lash line. Now with a black felt tip liner, I'm adding dots. I want to create a color splatter effect, so I'm going to repeat these steps with various colors. Just keep watching, you will understand. Making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. Making me stronger. I'm adding some blue water activated body paint on my brows because I think my brows kinda need some more drama, and I think this is what makes this look so striking. Adding some mascara, and I'm not wearing any lashes for this look. To apply some color on my lashes, I'm applying those same lipstick. Adding some purple pigments on my cheeks as my contour. Adding some purple gloss on my lips, smudging the edges a bit, and going to add dots all over my lips too, just to match the whole look. With that, my look is complete. It is definitely not an everyday look, but if you're going to create something for a photo shoot or maybe a fashion show, you can create something like this. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. That is extremely important. I will see you in my next video soon, which will be the next color of this rainbow series. Take care. Bye.